Hey y'all, today is kind of a fun art project that I'm working on. If you remember back last spring, I made a couple of flower presses, DIY flower presses. And if you haven't seen that video, I dropped that down in the video description below. And so I have pressed several blooms throughout the season, and I'm excited because I saw some things on TikTok that really inspired me for some new artwork for my home. So I'm going to get started on that today and show you guys the process. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when my latest videos are up. Make sure you drop me a comment, give me a thumbs up, share this video. Whatever you can do will help show YouTube that you want to see more of my content, and make sure you jump over and follow me on TikTok. Okay, back here, this are all my seed collection over here, all my seedlings. I have been collecting lots of pressed blooms throughout the year, and I'm going to be doing a project with those. So let me show you the elements I'm going to be utilizing for that. Okay, I'm starting with this print that I got from the local thrift store for $6.98. I bought it because I love the frame, and I love that it has a matte, even though when it changed color, I like the matte. And then in addition to that, I got some of this navy chipboard in Mod Podge, and this is how I'm going to apply it. So I'm going to go ahead and set up the camera and start the process and show you what it's all going to look like. Okay, the camera switched off, so I didn't get to show gluing the first design, and this was the second design that I did. But basically I just used a little bit of dab of the Mod Podge, and that was it. I did not try to cover every petal because I thought it might get too messy. Okay, so I don't love the color of the mat. It's kind of like this tan brown, and it's got some dirty spots on it, but I also don't want to go buy a new one. So I'm going to use just some white paint that I have here at the house, and I'm going to give it a quick spray and see if I can reuse this mat. Okay, just did one light coat to start off, and I'll do a couple of more and see how it looks. Okay, I really like how it turned out. Looks great over here. Look how pretty. Sorry, got reflection, you guys. Really love the detailing in it. I wish I had signed it before I finished framing it, but I think it looks really good. I think this wall looks really great with the ladder bookshelf and then some other paintings that I've collected. These are thrifted designs. These are all original paintings. And so I love that I have another original artwork. Ah, I think it looks great. Yay! Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial on how I created this pressed floral art for my home. Something easy you guys can do. You don't have to do flowers. You can do grasses. You can do a lot of varieties of leaves, several different options. And I definitely am going to keep up with this kind of artwork hobby because I really like the look out of it, and it goes really well with the feel and style of my home. I also love the price tag in that this piece of artwork, custom made, was less than $20. As always, she's a mad gardener or decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.